Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to store eggplant. Now, you might have sent the eggplant emoji or received the eggplant emoji, but you might not know how to store it. Let's get to it. This probably seems a little bit counterintuitive, but the worst place to store eggplant is actually in the refrigerator. Eggplant wants to be cooled, but not quite that cool. So it's better to have it in a place that's cooler than room temperature, but not quite as cold as the refrigerator. Room temperature is typically 68 degrees to 72 degrees, and eggplant kind of likes it somewhere around 50 degrees to 54 degrees. So just a slightly cooler than room temperature. Refrigerators are typically in the 30-degree range, so that's way too cold for eggplant. And here's a little side note. Eggplants are a lot like cucumbers, which you also should not store in the fridge. So as I mentioned, eggplant likes to be cool. So you want to store it in a cool place, like on the counter. You don't want to store it in a plastic bag. If it comes shrink wrapped, you definitely want to remove that plastic as soon as you get home and just place the eggplant in a cool place out of the sunlight. No light, it likes to be cool. Have I mentioned that? It likes to be cool. Stored properly, eggplant can actually keep for a couple weeks on the counter. So eggplant is also one of those vegetables that's also very susceptible to ethylene gas. And what does that mean? That means those fruits and vegetables that put out a lot of ethylene gas are gonna affect how that vegetable ripens. So you wanna keep eggplants away from bananas and apples and avocados, anything that's high in ethylene, because it's actually gonna degrade the quality. You just wanna store it somewhere, store it next to your cucumbers, just not the bananas. If for some reason your home environment is not ideal based on the temperatures I mentioned before, and you do actually have to put the eggplant in the refrigerator, that's okay. You just want to make sure to use it within a couple days. It won't last a couple weeks as it would in those ideal situations. So if you like this recipe, hey, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. As soon as you get home, unwrap it. Store it on the counter. Cat was running around and totally distracted me. She's like, just bounced like straight up.